Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Andrea.
And today we're taking a look at Monopoly Game of Thrones Collector's Edition. Let's start with the outside of the game. The majestic packaging on Monopoly Game of Thrones Collector's Edition features foil stamped house sigils: Lannister, Stark, Targaryen, and Baratheon.
And there's an iron throne waiting for you on the back of the game box.
Should we open up the game? Found beneath the cover is a scroll of rules. So let's talk about what you'll be battling for. The locations on the game board. These 22 Game of Thrones destinations represent famous locations from the show.
Boardwalk and Park Place, which are classically the most expensive locations on the Monopoly board, are replaced by King's Landing and Bravos.
And we can't forget locations like Winterfell, Castle Black, and the least expensive location on the board, Craster's Keep.
Just don't land on the hand of the king or you'll get taxed. Next, we've got Chance and Community chess cards, which are replaced by the Iron Throne and Valar Morghulis cards.
The classic Monopoly houses and hotels are replaced with villages and keeps.
And the only way to buy a village or a keep is with money. And in Monopoly Game of Thrones Collector's Edition, you'll collect customized Monopoly money straight from the Iron Bank.
And the money displays the prestigious house symbols of Eros and Westeros. Monopoly Game of Thrones Collector's Edition includes 6 custom sculpted tokens that include a White Walker, a Dragon Egg, a Three-Eyed Raven, a Crown, a Direwolf, and of course, the Iron Throne.
So that's it for Monopoly Game of Thrones Collector's Edition. We hope that you love playing it.
Thanks!